lovely, wonderful sharing, which is very inspirational for me, because when I hear you saying when you're in this very edgy moment, kids are crying and you're about to getting, angry, and you ask yourself that question of who is the one getting angry. For me, that's I take refuge from that. That's a very beautiful moment, and I feel like really learning from what you were saying. But when you're asking that question, who is the one being angry? Can you go deeper from that question? To explain a little bit more about...
So it's sort of like a different level. So first of all, I see when I start asking that question straight away, you already distract your mind from being angry. So just by having that question in your mind, you're straight away sort of distracting. But the thing is that you still have those distractions around you as well. So you cannot just hang on it. Yeah, you just can't, because you still need to function. You need to answer, you need to do that. But as it distracts your mind from anger, but you think, okay, I still need to function. So you don't bring the anger, but you still perform, and you still stay in that state of, okay, so who is that? And you keep looking. And if you don't find, you can choose to stay in that not finding, or you can choose maybe to do something else. Maybe you can, again, I try in the family life, I try different things. Sometimes I try to joke, so maybe kids will start laughing, or the wife will change her emotion. Sometimes maybe maybe I don't have enough strength or inspiration to joke, so maybe I'll just get quiet and try to get gentle and perform. So yeah, so that's but again, just the question itself already will distract your mind from the anger.
That's very beautiful. Thank you. Because I find that if I ask myself that question, the idea of the subjective and the objective would just diminish at that moment, and then there's so much more space to find. Since there's no answer for that question, there is more space behind but it's to grasp that moment, to ask that question is a real difficult part from the moment.
Yes.
Yeah.
I think it's almost impossible to grasp that moment if you don't have sort of like initial motivation. So if you don't have bodhicitta or previous motivation, it's almost impossible to grasp that moment, because you're just gonna flow through and you're just gonna go into your daily patterns, as I call myself, daily emotional patterns. But if you have previous sort of a setup motivation in the morning, meditation of bodhicitta, remembering your lama, so it will already be like you have that a buzz in your head that will be always telling you look at yourself, okay, just observe your mind, it's here, and yeah. But if you don't have that, it might still just run through very easily. So yeah, I don't want to philosophy too much, because I'm afraid that I'm just getting away from the pure dharma.
Thank you sharing for that.
Thank you.
Thank you.